would like to tell you about my experience at SLS College. I took online classes at SLS College for UK spouse visa A1 course, and I have passed my IELTS life skills A1 speaking and listening course from SLS College. Here is my certificate I would like to share with you, and furthermore I would like to recommend you all to visit SLS College for further English courses like IELTS or life skill A1 course. I would highly recommend you because the staff is highly motivated and very well qualified. Thank you.
Kindly subscribe to our channel SLS College, press the bell icon and share. Thank you.